Hey guys, it's Roy from ArmorBox and EpicDroid.com, and I am here today with two different i-Blason cases to show you guys how to remove these from your devices. i-Blason makes great cases, and I have been reviewing them for a long time. However, one of the things that I get asked on many of my videos is how to remove them from the device. The cases are great cases, they offer a ton of protection, and they're not something that you're going to want to be removing all that often. However, sometimes you do need to get in there to clean out under the screen protector, or you're going to be cleaning the device, you're trading it in, whatever it may be. There's a reason to take these things off from time to time. Well, I'm here to show you guys how to do it today. So these are two of their different cases. This is the Cosmo and this is the ArmorBox. The cases are very different in their style. However, the way that you take them off is exactly the same. So here we have the two different cases. I'm going to take it off of this one here first. To take it off, you're going to find the bottom right corner. You'll see if you look really close there's a little notch that's not on the other side. So there's that little teensy, we're talking like a millimeter gap there. So what you're going to do is you're going to stick your fingernail down in that and you're going to pull back. You're going to peel back all the way around the frame. You're going to grab the front, peel it back from there, applying just gentle pressure on the corners, and then presto, you are good to go. And so doing the same thing with the Cosmo, you got the same thing here. You got that little teensy gap right there, not on the other side. So we have our bottom right corner. Stick your finger in that gap, pull back, and then to pop the frame out. And again, presto, you're good to go. All in all, super straightforward process, not that difficult, but it just takes a little bit of know-how and it takes knowing where to look. So if you guys have any questions about the process, about the i-Blason Cosmo, or about the i-Blason ArmorBox, or any of i-Blason's other products, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we're available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.